So now let's see how we can import our Trello content inside of Notion. So to go ahead and do that, I'm going to go around over here onto my profile, and then I'm going to go around onto settings right here. Then I'm going to go to import right here just like this, and then what you can do is click on Trello. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that Notion is an option right here. And then you can see that I am already logged into my Trello board. So you can see that it actually tells me to actually give permissions of Trello right here. Let me just go ahead and click on allow right here just like this. Then what happens is that it authenticates the Trello right here. You can go ahead and choose a board that you like and then click on import right here, and it improves out the board from Trello right here, as you can see. So all of the contents, that is the board content of Trello, is now imported just like this inside of Notion. And that is how you can import out Trello content in Notion easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.